Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learn to Earn Minds. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to get transcripts of any YouTube video for free and in seconds. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or just someone who needs the text from a video, this method will save you a ton of time. So, let's get started.
Step 1. Open your browser and type YouTube Transcript in the search bar. Click on the first link that shows up. This is the tool we'll be using. Step 2. Once the page loads, you'll see a box where you can paste the link of the video. Step 3. Now head over to YouTube, find the video you want a transcript for. It can be your own or any public video. Simply copy the link. Step 4. Come back to the transcript tool and paste the link into the box. Step 5. Click the button that says Get Free Transcript. Within seconds, you'll have the full transcript ready for you.